We are typing sudo raspi config because we are enabling SPI. Here we are going to interface options and SPI. Why we are enabling SPI? Because we are using SPI communication protocol here in this project. This is our LED which is connected to GPIO 17, and this red and black wires are connected here in fan, which is not part of this project. This red is the power and black is for ground. We are connecting this to fan for the Raspberry Pi. And this is our RFID module which need to be connected to Raspberry Pi, and there are 8 pins here. And this jumper wire are working as a communication line from the RFID module to Raspberry Pi. The first pin we are connected here to pin number 24, and this is also called SDA in RFID module and connected to pin number 24, which is also called SPI CEU in Raspberry Pi pin. Our second pin is CLK, which is connected to Raspberry Pi pin SPIS CLK, pin number 23. And this one is the third pin called MOSI. It's connected to pin number 19, which is also called SPI MOSI. And our fourth pin MISO from RFID module, it connected to pin number 21 SPI MISO. And our fifth pin does not need to connect, which we are not using it. And GND for ground, RST for GPIO 25, and VCC for any power. You can use 3.3 volt or 5 volt. I'm using pin number 1. Here we are running our Python program in our terminal, and it's a hold tag nearby the module, and we are holding this blue one to nearby this RFID module, and we got the tag number. It's the ID number, which is start from 6942 something like that. And this one is another tag. I'm connecting nearby this, and I got 8065 something. So these two tags are different. How this electronic device identified to a specific different tag. This is the project, and you can see the difference of tag number, ID number of two tags. As soon as this blue tag comes nearby the RFID module, and look at that light blinks. Let me try my hand. It doesn't recognize. Let's try this tag. It's blink. Let me try this both tag. What do you think happened? It's blink. Thank you for watching this project. If you have any confusion, you can follow this link and go to my GitHub profile and help yourself.